Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful garden eggs on the top of my basket cake. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new videos. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of my video. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Don't forget to like my video. Feel free to comment. Let's start. Okay, this is a real garden egg we'll be working with today. So right now I'm going to share out my fondant as I start. First, I'll be adding two different colors. This is my yellow color. I'll also add green color. Add little at a time and you mix together and you check with your real garden egg to see whether you're close to the color or you're already there. So feel free to add little at a time so that you will not over add. For the garden egg holder, I'll be adding enough green with a little yellow. Right now I'm trying to create the effect, the green line effect you can see on the real garden egg. So that one is brush is not working. I need to use my skewer, or you can also use toothpick if you don't have a skewer. Yeah, I think this is working. I'll go with this. If you have not liked my video, it's time. Click on the like button, give me some thumbs up, click on the thumb up. Feel free to share to your friends, invite a friend to this progressive cakes and nourishment. Feel free to comment, feel free to ask questions. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alerts of my new video. You can see our garden eggs are ready. They're looking so beautiful. This is lovely. Thanks a million for watching this video. Bye bye.